whenever you go into a contact record, this milestone field here, it identifies, what is their milestone. Typically it comes in as new. Whenever it's assigned a new milestone, then you'd probably do something with it. Well, Sam has the ability to use smart lists and stuff like that to help drive this a little bit with some date fields and stuff. But one of the things that it does is it would include a milestone date in here, but it was including all the milestone dates for all the different options. So there's going to be a milestone date for new, a milestone date for each of the different choices: call attempted, call completed. And these are extremely useful for your dashboard or for your smart list off the browser. So typically you would want to see them, but if you just don't want to see them, you can remove them from the list now. The way that is set up, let's go back over to our settings area. Clicking on your setup, your initials in the upper right corner, going into setup, and then the menu options, we have a manage date fields. Inside manage date fields, this lists all the different dates that you want to be able to have seen or be available to you. And you can now come in here, click on add date field. If those dates aren't in there, you can pick from them. Here's those milestone dates. If you want to see them, you can pick them from this list and it'll add them to the list so that they're available. Once they're available, any date field that's in here, just to let you guys know, so like referral date's something that you typically would want to use. You may want to always show that date field, even if it doesn't have a value in it. Earlier, whenever I did that MLS submission date, its option is turned off. So I had to go in and search for it. It's an extra step. And if it's not used very often, that's fine. But if it's something that you use fairly frequently, you may want to come in here and say, always show it. That way it'll be on that list of date fields, even if it is blank. A lot of people, again, from previous softwares, there would be all kinds of dates and hard to see which ones you wanted to see. So this just gives you a way to adjust how whether you want to see it or not. Mm-hmm. It's still available, but whether you want to see it or not, and then whether or not or what order you want to see them. So if you want to see the referral date, up higher in the list, you can change those.